Good evening, everyone. Today we're going to be doing a quick video on how to trade futures using the MEXC app. Now, without wasting much time, we're going to dive straight to our future section under the MEXC app. Now, this is the MEXC, right? This is how it is. Now, we're going to go to the futures section. Now, to deposit your USDT for trading, you click this section, right? You click on add here. If you want to transfer from spot to the futures, you transfer, or if it's not there, right? If it's not under the spot, you can change. Also, you move from your futures to spot or whichever wallet you choose to use. So that is that. Now, this is the leverage. This is where you get your leverage. You can increase your leverage to. Now they have one of the best leverage system. They have up to 200x leverage on whatsoever pairs you have. Mostly it's pairs that have enough liquidity that they do up to 200x leverage. Now this is the isolated margin. Yeah, you can switch to cross margin if you want to. We all know how the isolated and cross margin works. Now, isolated margin works when you are trading with a particular margin balance. Let's say you are trading with $1, right? It's only that $1 that you are risking, whether you get liquidated or not. You are only risking that $1. Now, when you are using a cross margin for your trading, when you have like $2 on your margin for trading and that $2 gets liquidated, it then goes straight to your remaining balance so that you won't get liquidated entirely of the trade. So it's actually risky, right? It's actually risky when you don't use your stop loss to be trading cross margin. So mostly use isolated margin. That is that. Now this is where you tend to choose pair whatsoever pair you want to trade, whether you are trading sheep or Mubarak, or you can also search whatsoever coin you want right about here. So that is that. Yeah, this is the order book. Yeah, this is the order book where you can also know the range of prices and knowing where the buyers and sellers are meeting their point of interest while trading, right? Now this is the open long position, this is the open short position, and this is where you actually put whatsoever amount of USDT you want to trade from your available balance, right? Now this is your entry point. Now you can choose to trade under limit or market. Now when you put it under market, your trade enters exactly at current market price, but when you set it at limit order, your trade goes to whatsoever price that you want it to. And here is a mini chart also to be watching your trades and to be also very careful on how you trade. So that's obviously it, guys, on how to use the MEXC app. No much hard things here, right? So let's trade turn. Yeah, let's open a long position. No, let's look first. Yeah, we can see this thing is dumping rapidly. So no, I don't see a good entry point right here, but that's obviously it, guys. Thanks for joining us. Good day.